it has come to, hello, it's Sophie. It has come to my attention that some of you have a difficult time seeing what to do with the unconditional love activator. So I am on the unconditional love activator page. You know it because it says on the top, unconditional love activator. And how I got here, there are two ways to get here, but you have to be registered and you have to be approved. The way you do that is that after you purchase, the page should take you to the registration page, and then you register, and it automatically puts you in permission to access this page. But if you somehow registered and then you don't know where to go, if you look, there's a black bar. It's called the navigation bar, and there's the home button, and there's the unconditional love activator button. If I click on it, it's going to keep me on the same page because I'm already there. And it did. Bring it to, you won't have this edit. I am logged in. Okay? It's the admin. So you scroll down everywhere, read it, register into classes, the connection class, etc. And then towards the bottom, just before the comments, there is a link that says play video. Then there's an audio button where you can change how loud it should be, and then you can download all contents. So one option is that you play video, and you click on that link, and it's going to show whatever was on the screen. Hello and welcome. As I was doing that original recording. Okay, so I'm going to stop it. Then you can click on this arrow, and that's going to do the audio version of the same thing. And you can change how loud it should be, so it's like half-mast. You can make it very loud if you need to. And you can pause it, etc. It takes some time for some reason, and I hope it works. Nobody complained so far. It's still buffering. Well, we'll see. And then I'm going to deal with the download all content, and you will hear if it comes on. So with the download all content, the best way to do is right-click on it. Now, I am in Firefox, but right-click is going to open a menu bar, a menu, whatever it's called, whatever it is called, pop-up window. I don't think that audio is working. And you can do all kinds of things, but what you should do is do save link as, and something similar is in every browser. I don't remember what it's called. Save as, I think it's called in Internet Explorer, and in all browsers it's called slightly different. So if you click on that, you select it. You see as you move up and down, you can select save link as. Okay. Then it is going to allow you to save the activator zipped format. Now, what is in the activator? There is the video, the audio, and I think the PDF. And we'll find out in a second. So I'm going to save it into this folder, which is book. And where is the book? So that I know. It's on my desktop. Let's find something that's maybe easier, my documents, and I just save it in my documents. It's probably going to be easier to find it there, and I save it, okay? And it's going to take some time to save it because it's 75 megabytes. But then when I want to find it, I am going to go to my documents, and I'm going to find it and the best way to do it is I sort all the documents by date modified, and it's going to be at the very bottom. And it's saving, and it's really slow because of that video. So I'm going to pause it a second, because you don't want to sit here and wait. Boiled water never boils, so I'm just going to pause the video and then continue when it downloaded, okay? Okay, I am back, and as you see, it downloaded. It's a little bit bigger than I said. It's almost 77 megabytes. And there are two things that you can do with it. So one is you can double-click on it, and it's going to open in the software I use, and it has 3 files. It has the size of the iPod, which means you can load it to your iPod and you can watch it when you're in transit. It's the regular video and the regular audio. That's one thing that you can do, and if you want to put it on your drive so that you can actually listen to it, you select it all and you remove it. You can put it into a folder or just put it into your My Documents folder or wherever you want to. The other way that I prefer is that you right-click. I clicked with my right mouse button. I don't know how you do it on Mac. I don't remember. I really didn't do much internet on the Mac. And you have choices here. You can extract files. You can extract here, or you can extract it, and it's going to make a folder for you. So let's do it again. I select the file. I right-click on it. Got it? And I am going to select that it should make a folder. So that way I don't have to do any folder. It's going to do it. So I'm going to say extract to that folder. And it's doing it now. And as you can see, it created a folder. And when you go into the folder, the contents of that zip file are here very nicely. And this is in the format of the iPod. But if I wanted to watch this, I could double-click on it, and it doesn't know what to open it with. I could right-click on it, and I could say open it with QuickTime, and let's see if it can. And it's hesitating. That's not a good sign. But we will see. And it did open it, okay? So that's one way, and then you can know how to play it, right? The second, this file, you can just double-click on it, and it's going to use the same format, I think, of Apple, and it's much bigger. And my recommendation is that you don't use the video, you just use the audio, and let's see if that works. I double-click on it, and it's going to choose the audio program that I selected.
Hello and welcome.
And it's working, and it's talking, and as you can see, it's like 40 minutes long. Okay, so I am going to close it, and that is what you need to do. So if there are any other questions, then please let me know. I am going to close this, and of course the buffering didn't work for some reason, but the video did work. So if you want to watch it online, this is the same link. I just manually copied it over because I wasn't sure if you can see it. Okay, so that is what you need to do, and then when you are done and you love it or hate it or whatever you do, just leave me. See, I don't know how to spell, so it's thank you, Cynthia, but it's none of your business. I mean, you don't have to worry about that. But if I'm already here, I'm going to correct it. Thank you, Cynthia. Okay, update. So that's this video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was helpful. I don't know how to do it on Mac, so unfortunately you are on your own. Enjoy and don't be a stranger. Thank you.